little minis. It's Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library. We're here to do a craft. Can you tell what kind? Yes. Well, it's a little past St. Patrick's Day, but that's okay. We can still do that kind of craft. And really, it's just fun anyway. We're going to be making a shamrock. Fun, fun, fun. You guys, it's not a painty one, so it's not super messy, but however you want to look at it, we need glue. Glue and scissors. So if you can go get some scissors and a glue stick, you will be set. Because in your kit, you're going to have this shamrock paper. You're going to have your directions, and you're just going to have a whole bunch of like scrappy paper type of paper, green, to decorate your shamrock with. All right, you guys all set? Yes, let's go. First thing that we want to do is take your scissors and cut the outline. So cut out this shamrock. All right, Miss Penny already did that. All right, I already have mine cut out. So you're going to have a shamrock like this. And now we just want to fill it in with all these fun green colors. This is the fun part for you, probably. This is when we get to use our scissor skills. You're just going to take your scissors. You're going to take all of these green scraps of paper and just cut. You can cut squares, triangles, circles, whatever you want to cut. It's your time to cut, everybody. So just kind of cut some shapes, okay? Cut some shapes with your green, all these green-ish papers, all right? Because you're going to use these to glue on to your shamrock. So I'm just kind of cutting squares. But you get to cut whatever shape you want. If you want to take your scissors and go wiggle, 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 you can do that. All right? So we're just cutting some. Cutting, cutting, cutting. Lots of cutting practice for your little hands. This will be a perfect opportunity for you to learn for your cutting skills. That's a good thing, right? Yes. Yes, it is. All right. So once you think you have enough, you can just use the pieces that you have. And then if you feel like you need to cut more, you can do that too, okay? So let's just start with what we have. So we're going to take our shamrock and our glue. I'm going to put glue all over a little bit of my shamrock. I'm going to start with the top half. So I'm going to put glue all over this the top piece of my shamrock. Then I'm going to take my scraps of paper and start gluing them on that, putting on that glue. All over. And if it hangs off, that's okay, because we're going to cut that off later, okay? So it's okay for it to hang off the sides. How's yours going? Mine's almost ready. My top half is almost filled. Okay, I'd say the top is pretty good. What do you think? Now I'm going to start working on a side. So I'm going to add some more glue. Put some glue on this side. Now I have glue on one side, and I'm going to fill that in with my papers. All these fancy papers that I cut into pieces. That's when they get to start decorating my shamrock. Well, got my fingers stuck on there. Did any of you get your fingers stuck on yours? It happens. That's what soap and water is for. We can go wash our hands in the sink when we're finished. All right, I got one side. I have two sides done. Now I'm going to do my last side. Add my glue. And if there's any space in the middle, I'll go ahead and get that done too. All right, got my third side. Now I'm going to fill her up. Fill her. Sorry. Okay, so I'm filling up my paper. How's yours coming along? Are you almost done, or am I working too fast for you? What do you think? And it's okay, you don't even have to go as fast as I'm going. You don't even have to go fast at all. All right, I have mine complete, but it hung off a little bit. Not too bad. Ooh, one of my pieces fell off. That's okay. That's no big deal. I'll just add glue and add it back on there. Then I'm just going to, if it bothers you that it's hanging off, this is what you can do. I'm going to take my scissors. See how the back has some hanging off? You can take your scissors and you can just trim it. See? Trim those pieces, and your big person may have to help you with this. If you just trim it, trim those little pieces off. There we go. Then it'll be back to its original shape. You'll see. Just a little trim job. How's it looking so far? And then you just have this really cool shamrock. It's just a whole bunch of different shades of fun greens. Almost done. I'm on my last one. Shaving it off. Oh, I'll go this way. Deciding how to hold my scissors the best to get it shaved. Done. Okay, see? Now it's all set. And there it is. There is a mosaic shamrock. So all you need to do, little ones, is you or a big person write your name on the back and the date. And then you can decide, are you keeping it, hanging it up, or are you going to give it to somebody? That's it. Then we can do a little bit of cleanup, because I'm going to have to clean up now after all these little scraps. No big deal. So do a little bit of cleanup and you're all set. Hope you had a great St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Bye. Whoa.